Okay, what we're doing here today is there's some gas charged struts here that help hold the lift gate up, and they are simply not holding the lift gate up any longer, and we're going to replace them. These happen to be on a Honda Civic, Toyota, Ford. They're all very similar. What you're going to want to do to remove them is you want to wear some eye protection here, and there is a small little clip on here. You just want to obviously support the lift gate, prop it up, and then remove this little clip here. And this holds it to this ball here, and you can pull that off. And our new strut here happens to have a captive bracket on there, so on this one we'll have to take and remove the push pins out of the back here, and then pull this trim down. This happens to be a Honda, and there's a couple push pins here since the new unit here has a captive thing here, so we'll have to remove this little piece of trim and then unbolt it on the side there. Okay, with it supported here, we'll just simply just pull down on the trim here. So we can get this piece of trim back, and once we get this piece pulled back, that'll give us access to the bolts there. Now on this Civic here, there's just a cap pulls off of there, and this happens to be a 14 millimeter here. We'll go ahead and remove this bolt, install our new one. The top bolts were 10 millimeter. Okay, we got our new one here. Comes with a new spacer and that. We'll go ahead and place that in there, tighten that down. These are specific to each side. There is a left and a right on this Honda here. Most are just universal with that clip. Okay, you may have to move the lift gate up a little bit, or move it down a little bit to get the bolts to line up. And now we'll do the same to the other side. We'll put our trim back on there. Just simply snap it in here. Place our push pin in there.